In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start business on Canva. We'll walk through creating a simple logo template, turning it into a shareable product, and packaging it so you can list it for sale. Start by opening your web browser and going to canva.com. Log into your account so you can save your work and access all your designs. A free account works, though some elements are pro. Make sure you have the right to use any images or graphics you plan to include. From the Canva homepage, click Create. Choose what you want to sell. For this example, pick a logo format. This gives you the correct canvas size and a workspace to design. You can start from a blank page or a template. Either way, the goal is to build a design others can reuse. To add your own graphics, open the Uploads panel, select Upload Files, and choose the image you'd like to include. High resolution, clean artwork will look more professional. Position and resize it so it sits well on the canvas. Add text by selecting Add a text box. Type whatever you want, such as a placeholder brand name or a tagline buyers can edit. Adjust the font style, size, and color to establish a clear hierarchy. Keep readability in mind and limit your font choices to maintain consistency. You can change the background by clicking the canvas and selecting a color at the top. Choose a palette that complements your text and graphics and keeps contrast strong. When your first page looks good, add a new page. Use the second page for a short thank you note and simple instructions. Include a line that says something like, click here to access your editable template, because we'll link it in a moment. Click share in the top right, then choose template link. Select create template link and then copy. This special link lets customers make their own editable copy, perfect for selling templates while keeping your original safe. Go back to the second page, select the text you want to make clickable, open the three dots menu, choose link, paste the template link, and click done. Confirm once more if prompted. Now your instruction page includes a working link to the template. Next, click share again and choose download. Pick your file type and select PDF standard. Download the file. This PDF becomes your deliverable. Page 1 shows the design, page 2 thanks the buyer, and includes the clickable template link. From here, create as many on-trend templates as you can. Consistency and variety help you stand out. Finally, list your templates on marketplaces like Etsy or on your own website, and make sure to market them effectively so customers can find your work.